In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pronouns on Zoom. This is a handy feature that allows you to make your online meetings more inclusive and show respect for everyone's identity. Adding your pronouns is a simple process, and it can make a big difference in how you communicate and connect with others. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and go to the Zoom website by entering zoom.us in the address bar. Once you arrive at the Zoom homepage, look towards the upper right corner and click on Sign In to access your account. This will take you to your personal dashboard, which is essentially your command center for managing your Zoom settings and preferences. Once you're logged in, the next step is to locate the My Account option. This is typically found on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking My Account will take you to a new page where you can view and manage all your account details. It's important to be familiar with this section as it houses various settings you might find useful in the future. Now that you're in your account area, direct your attention to the left panel once again and select Profile, which is where you'll find personal information related to your Zoom identity. This section displays your current Zoom profile details, such as your name, picture, and other information that people see when you're in a meeting. With your profile open, you'll notice an Edit button around the area where your personal details are listed. Go ahead and click on this button. This will allow you to make changes to your profile, and more specifically, add or update your pronouns. At this stage, it's always a good idea to check that all other information is up to date, ensuring your profile reflects the image you wish to present. Scrolling down the Edit Profile page, you'll find the Pronouns field. This is the section where you can type in the pronouns you use. Whether you use she, her, he, him, they, them, or any other combination, simply enter your pronouns in the provided text box. This feature is highly customizable, so you can input your preferred pronouns without any restrictions. Once you've entered your pronouns, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. Saving ensures that your pronouns will appear next to your name in meetings, helping others address you correctly and fostering a more inclusive environment. It's a small step that goes a long way in promoting respect and understanding, and there you go, you're all set. By following these steps, you've successfully added your pronouns to your Zoom profile. Remember, showing your pronouns on Zoom can help create a welcoming space for everyone, so encourage your colleagues and friends to do the same. Thanks for watching.